Cookery Grade 10, First Quarter. Prepare egg, cereal, and starch dishes. First quarter objectives. At the end of this quarter, you are expected to perform mise en place. Prepare and cook egg, cereal, and starch dishes. Present egg, cereal, and starch dishes. And store egg, cereal, and starch dishes. Overview. This quarter will provide you learners the essential knowledge and opportunities to develop your skills and gain understanding in the preparation, cooking, presentation, and storing egg, cereal, and starch dishes. You will be able to know the needed tools and equipment and learn how to clean and sanitize them after each use. Differentiated activities and hands-on activities were given to give you opportunities to transfer what you have learned. Lesson 1, Learning Outcome Number 1. Our topic is Prepare Egg Dishes. In cookery, egg refers to poultry or fowl products. The versatility of eggs is evident in its presence in numerous food items. Eggs may be eaten cooked in its shell, fried, poached, or may be combined with other ingredients to produce another dish. In baking, egg acts both as an emulsifier and leavener. The egg's protective coating or mucin layer, which aids in the maintenance of its freshness by covering the small holes in the shell, is called bloom. Bloom is removed during washing, so it is not advisable to wash eggs prior to storage unless it is very dirty. Removal of the mucin layer will expose the holes, making the egg susceptible to bacterial penetration and dehydration, thus hastening deterioration of its quality. Eggs are produced commercially in farms with a few hundreds laying chickens or in large laying complexes with thousands of layers. Small and micro-sized backyard poultry, either in small poultry cages or as free-range chicken, are also producing eggs. Egg is indeed a convenient food for any meal in and out of the house. Lesson 1, Learning Outcome Number 1. Perform mise en place. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to first, identify tools, utensils, and equipment needed in egg preparation. Second, clean, sanitize, and prepare tools, utensils, and equipment needed in preparing egg dishes. Third, identify egg components and its nutritive value. And fourth, identify and prepare ingredients according to standard recipe. Tools, utensils, and equipment needed in egg preparation. In the preparation of egg dishes, the first consideration is to identify the needed tools and equipment and how to clean and sanitize them after each use. Tools, utensils, and equipment needed in egg preparation. Chanel knife. It is a small hand tool used in making garnishes. Another tool is the spatula. It is used for manipulating foods like spreading. Colanders. Colanders are also called vegetable strainer, which are essential for various tasks from cleaning vegetable to straining pasta or other foods. Pastry brush, a small implement used to brush the surface of unbaked pastries or cookies with egg white, egg yolk, or glaze. Rubber scraper. It is used to scrape off contents of bowls. Next is the sieve, sifter, or strainer. A screen mesh type supported by a round metal frame used for sifting dry ingredients like starch and flour. Spoons, solid, slatted, or perforated, which are made of stainless steel or plastics. There are many kinds of spoons, such as coffee spoon, dessert spoon, sundae spoon, tablespoon, soup spoon, and salad spoon. Egg poacher. A miniature bain-marie with an upper dish containing indentations of each size to hold an egg or contain separate device for poaching. Omelette pan. Heavy base frying, usually of cast iron or copper, with rounded, sloping sides, used exclusively for omelettes. Measuring cup for liquid ingredients are commonly made up of heat-proof glass and transparent so that the liquid can be seen. Measuring spoons. It comes in variety of sizes, shapes, materials, and colors. These are used to measure smaller quantities of ingredients. Measuring cup, a kitchen utensil used for measuring liquid or bulk solid cooking ingredients such as flour and sugar. Saucepan, deep cooking pan with a handle used primarily for cooking sauce or food with a sauce. Mixing bowls. These containers have smooth, rounded interior surfaces with no creases to retain some mixture and is used for mixing ingredients. Equipment. Kitchen equipment may refer to a small electrical appliance such as a mixer, or a large, expensive, power-operated appliance such as a range or a refrigerator. Equipment like range, ovens, and refrigerators are mandatory pieces in the kitchen or in any food establishment. Refrigerators and freezers. These are necessary in the kitchen to prevent bacterial infections from food. Most refrigerators have special compartment for meat, fruits, and vegetables to keep the moisture content of each type of food. Butter compartment holds butter separately to prevent food odors from spoiling its flavor. Oven. It is a chamber or compartment used for cooking, baking, heating, or drying. Microwave ovens are common kitchen appliance and are popular for reheating previously cooked foods and cooking variety of foods. Blenders are used to chop, blend, mix, whip, puree, grate, and liquefy all kinds of food. A blender is a very useful appliance. They vary in the amount of power or voltage and wattage. Cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment must be part of the standard operating procedures that make up your food safety program. Improper cleaning and sanitizing kitchen surfaces allow harmful microorganisms to be transferred from one food to another. A cleaning program that is an overall system should be prepared to organize all your cleaning and sanitizing tasks. The program should also help identify your cleaning needs, set up master cleaning schedule, select the supplies and tools to use, and train yourselves to make the best of your skills. Cleaning is the removal of visible soil, while sanitizing means reducing the number of harmful microorganisms by using very hot water or a chemical sanitizing solution. To be effective, cleaning and sanitizing must be a two-step process. Surfaces must be first be cleaned and rinsed before being sanitized. There are many cleaning products or agents and variety of equipment in the market. Choose the best for your workplace and follow instructions in the label. Cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment must be part of the standard operating procedures that make up your food safety program. Improper cleaning and sanitizing kitchen surfaces allow harmful microorganisms to be transferred from one food to another. Here are some points to support your workplace training. First, clean in a logical order. Second, different cleaning tasks require different methods. Getting things wrong can cause damage to surface, harm to yourself, and spread bacteria and dirt. Third, many cleaning agents are harmful. Their contact with your eyes or skin or breathing the fumes can cause a serious illness. Fourth, mixing one agent with another can be dangerous. A chemical reaction can be set up or in some cases produce a poisonous fumes. Ware washing. Ware washing is the process of washing and sanitizing dishes, glassware, flatware, and pots and pans either manually or mechanically. Manual ware washing uses a 3-compartment sink and is used primarily for pots and pans. It may be used for dishes and flatware in small operations. Mechanical ware washing requires a dishwashing machine capable of washing, rinsing, and drying dishes, flatware, and glassware. In large operations, heavy-duty pot and washing machines had been designed to remove cook-on food. Manual dishwashing procedure. First, scrape and pre-rinse. The purpose of this step is to keep the wash water cleaner longer. Second, wash. Use warm water at 110 Fahrenheit to 120 Fahrenheit and a good detergent. Scrub well with a brush to remove all traces of leftover and grease. Third is rinse. Use clean warm water to rinse off detergent. Change the water frequently or use running water in an overflow. Fourth is to sanitize. Place utensil in rack and immerse in hot water at around 170 Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. A gas or electric heating element is needed to hold water at this temperature. Next is to drain and air dry. Do not towel dry. This may contaminate utensils. Mechanical dishwashing. The steps in washing dishes by machine are the same as in the manual methods, except that the machine does the washing, rinsing, and sanitizing. Procedure. First, scrape and pre-rinse. Second, rack dishes so that the dishwasher spray will strike all surfaces. Third, run machine for a full cycle. Fourth, set the sanitizing temperature at 100 degrees Fahrenheit for machine that sanitizes by heat and 140 Fahrenheit for machine that sanitizes by chemical disinfectant. Last is air dry and inspect dishes. Do not touch food contact surfaces. A time to remember. This is Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.